The place where plants and animals live is called a habitat. This is a pond habitat, and you can see that there are different kinds of plants here. This one with pretty yellow flowers is called a marsh marigold. And over here we have an iris that is just starting to grow. And inside the pond there are these plants, and these live under the water. These are called oxygenators. So even though they're not the prettiest plants, they're really important because they give oxygen to the animals. And here, just starting to grow, these leaves here. This is a water lily, and in the summer it'll have really pretty pink flowers on it. Over here, you might know what this is. It's frog spawn, and it's the eggs laid by the frog. The little black dots will grow into tadpoles. In here you can see some of the things that I've managed to get out of the pond using the net carefully. There are a couple of newts, and you can see how it's got a really long body, and it's got a flat tail that it swishes to push it through the water. It's got webbed feet at the back that act like paddles, and that's why they're really good for living in water and well adapted. They do live on land, so in the winter they come out of the pond, they come out in the autumn, spend the winter out of the pond, and then in spring they go back in the pond and they lay their eggs, which they wrap in a leaf. Here I've got two other creatures. There's two kinds of snail. The one over here is just an ordinary pond snail. The one over here is what's called a ram's horn snail, and that's because it's in a swirly shape like a ram's horn. And can you see the green stuff that's on it there? That's algae. So that's what snails would eat, and then creatures like newts might eat these unfortunate snails. Here are some other things that live in a pond habitat. A duck, a dragonfly or a damselfly. Here are some things that you can do. A collage of a pond habitat. A labelled diagram of a pond habitat.